Hey there. So you're now on your journey to Ghidra scripting. This journey is hard and you have trouble navigating on what/how to conduct automation. I'm here to help you guide the way and set up a development area so you could develop Ghidra scripts within Pycharm. So here are my credentials. But let's ask why we need Ghidra scripting, right? Manual malware analysis is very time consuming in a lot of times where we're dealing with obfuscation, encryption, and anti-analysis techniques, etc. The Ghidra scripts can enhance our analysis efforts by automating a lot of this complex task, reducing effort in reducing a lot of these manual effort and enabling more large scale analysis. Some things that you could kind of do with Ghidra scripting could be as simple as analyzing and comment on obfuscated data with the decrypted content. The other could be RLC extraction, bulk analysis, and even use tools such as Kappa to extract all these capabilities and head to the address area and set a comment on exactly what capability it's mapping to. There are three ways we could set up our development area in Pycharm, but I will walk through only two. The first two technically involves using AnalyzeHeadless.bat and Pyhidra. Both of them rely on using Jython, which relies on Python 2.7 implementation. In newer versions, Pyhidra is definitely more preferable as it uses something called CPython, which uses Python 3 and is much more faster and quicker. So let's start with just using AnalyzeHeadless.bat today and Pyhidra. Here I have a created Ghidra project called Kojo with the imported file called f7_unpack.bin. In order to go and create a development area for your Ghidra scripting, right? What we want to do is we want to find the AnalyzeHeadless.bat. So the simplest way that we could do this is directly searching within C drive. So we understand it is over here, right? And within this script, I have a very simple Ghidra script that essentially gets the current program and prints all the name of the current function. What we want to do now is that we want to head to run and edit configurations. From here, we want our scripting path to specify where the AnalyzeHeadless.bat is located within. We now want to supply the parameters in order to run that .bat file. So the few parameters first include the directory in where the project exists. So for Kojo, it exists within in users/vbox user. And then we want to go and process that file. So once processing it, we also want to prompt no analysis because every time Ghidra runs a script using the analyze header, um, AnalyzeHeadless.bat, it will automatically auto-analyze it every time, which increases the time for you to run the script. So if you don't want it to waste your time, do no analysis. And the switch here, PostScript, essentially allows you to run your Ghidra script directly into that binary. I have now pasted the content into script options. And if you press this, you could see each argument that's being passed in. So we would now press OK. Make sure you're not running a current Ghidra GUI instance with that project open, or else previously there was an error where, as you can see, I wasn't able to run it properly. But now it should run. We press, yep, we could ignore this, and then if we continue running it, it will work directly. Yep, it works. So we're able to get the entry point, and we get to get all the functions as labeled over here. And now you're able to integrate and use Pycharm for your Ghidra script. So now let's try and use Pyhidra instead, as it is more quicker and faster than AnalyzeHeadless.bat, as it uses CPython, which is in Python 3 implementation and is an available API library that you could pip install. It requires minimal setup in order for you to use it. So let's begin. The first thing is to probably set up the variable name Ghidra install dir and the variable which needs to point to your Ghidra directory, and it needs to be within with the version name included. Pip install Pyhidra now. And after you install it, I have a script over here that is a test. As you may know already, f7 unpack.bin and Kojo is the project that I have. So I've specified the directory in where Kojo is being saved. I specified the project name and the binary name. And all I really want is that I want to load the program and then go to the entry point, possibly, and add a comment. So if we run this script and we leave it be, it should hopefully do the magic. And if it doesn't run, please restart your computer and open Pycharm again and see if it will work. All right, wait, what's going on over here? Oh, it's because I opened Ghidra. Hold up. Since I haven't had open mode. Yep. So if I close this and I run it again, it should hopefully work. And if we open Ghidra right now, it looks like it works. And we go to this specific location. If you look at the specified address now, we have this comment being made, which is the auto comment that we've made using the Ghidra script.